baldness around my 20s. And the thing with baldness is that you are not with the first one to recognize the baldness. There is always some other guy, some other person, your relatives, I don't know, your friends, anyone will be the first one to identify it. In my case also it was the same. So I was 20, it was my articleship days, and then my senior suddenly realized that I was facing thinning of my hairs from my back. I just ignored him, saying that he is the one who always said bad thing about my work. Now he's on to my, personal look, personal things as well. So I would better ignore him, and I shared a laugh with my friends. But after 2 or 3 months, my mother realized the same, but at this time it was not from my back. It was somewhere from one side, I would say. She said that you are facing thinning of my hairs from your this side. So I again, at that age, whenever someone says bad thing about you, you are the first one to react instantly. And I yelled at her saying that क्या यार मम्मी तुम हर बार बुरा कुछ बोलती रहती है. Again I ignored the second person. I was like, okay, I was cool. And then suddenly we had planned a trip to Goa. And before going to Goa, all my friends decided why not we get bald. So I went to salon and my entire hairs to one number. And while he was trimming, I was realizing that I was facing slowly baldness. So the second person who had recognized it, my mom. I said, Mom, see, look at me. She was also in a state of shock basically, because she also could not have imagined that I was facing so serious hair loss. So she said that after you come from Goa, we will go to a doctor. And yes, I was happy. The best advice you can get is from your mom itself. So okay, so with that happiness I went to Goa with that expectation that once I return from Goa, again I will have my hair back. So I enjoyed in Goa. Then I came back. My mom had already booked a doctor. She had found a good doctor. So we went there. He saw my hair. He said that yes, you are facing baldness, my friend. And he was blunt enough to say that the hairs we have lost, it won't come back. He was blunt enough in my first me. So he said that you are not going to have your hairs back, but what I can promise you that whatever hairs you have left, I will preserve them until you're 30, 40. After 30, 40, you won't feel bad about it. I was totally depressed again. I was not even looking at him. I was not listening to him after he said those words. Then he started prescribing certain medicines, etc. My mom was attentively listening to him. I was in my own world. To medication, that is a normal medication every doctor gives. I won't take their name. That liquid solution, you might be knowing its name. So I said that okay, let's try it. I have paid so much money that the medicines, that liquid solution cost is around 1,000 at that time. So yes, I had applied it. 1 or 2 days it was fine. I was feeling good and then saying that हाँ यार मेडिसिन से कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. फिर मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि डैंड्रफ तो हो रहा था, पर ये अलग फीलिंग लाइक माई स्काल्प वॉज गेटिंग पील्ड ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सोल्यूशन. आई वॉज फेसिंग सो मच इचिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. इतना डैंड्रफ दिख रहा था, पूरा ऐसे बाहर आ रहा था. ऐसे तो कभी नहीं हुआ था. So I was not able to know. Then I realized that yes, this solution is the reason for it. I have to stop this solution basically. So I said that Mummy, I want my urgent appointment. I used to take all my frustration with my mom. I don't know why. Mummy, I want my urgent appointment secondly. So she said okay. She took again the second appointment with a different doctor, but he saw me. He was like a soft spoken doctor. He said that okay, आ जाएगा. Don't worry, आ जाएंगे. सारे बाल आ जाएंगे. Take that into account. I said that this is the best doctor, man. He said that his will come back, it will come back. So he suggested me the same liquid solution. He did not give me any other medicine. He suggested me the same liquid solution. I said okay, I will apply that. You said no, it will come back, I will apply it. So I again started applying it. I have faced lots and lots of dandruff. I'm not able to control it. So it was, since it was unbearable, that it was itching was unbearable. So then I called him back and said that it is getting unbearable. So he suggested me a shampoo. So I started applying shampoo. Itching had stopped, but my dandruff had not stopped. Take matter into my own hands. I said that I will find my own solution, because I had lost my hopes with the second doctor also. Even though he had promised me that it will come back, I had 3 or 4 sittings with him, but there were no results. I was getting slightly bolder and bolder and bolder. I could see for myself. So I said that okay, I stopped him abruptly as well in between and said that no, I will try my own thing. So what do you do? What do you mean by when you try your own thing? The only God for you is the internet. Yes, I shouldn't say this word, but yes, I found out, M word for self pleasure, which we normally do, which every guy normally does. The M word is it is primary reason. So I said that okay, then I have to stop my self pleasure things. And the second thing that I realized was कि सारा डैंड्रफ का क्या करे. Doing that M thing that I used to do, I used to realize that yes, whenever after that M thing, what I used to realize that कि मेरे साला स्कल्प ऑयली हो रहा था ऑटोमेटिकली. मुझे बैक पेन हो रहा था, मेरे को स्कल्प ऑटोमेटिकली ऑयली हो रहा था और डैंड्रफ आ रहा था. द ऑयलीनेस ऑन माई स्कल्प, द डैंड्रफ वॉज डायरेक्टली कोरिलेटेड टू that thing. So I had to stop it. If I stop that, entire thing will get controlled and it would work fine. So after I had given up on doctors, so I said that okay, let's do this. I tried it for 5 to 6 months, and in the same time I used to do scalp exercise for blood circulation, etc, 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 normally everyone does. So after I said that let's try Ayurvedic now. Let's try Ayurveda. Ayurveda, what they give you 3 or 4 tablets. He gave me oil, he gave me a shampoo, the normal things. But I don't know, I mean, this is normal human mentality. I suppose that whenever you apply an Ayurveda product which is natural, there is a self satisfaction and self belief that yes man, हो जाएगा, ये अच्छा ही होगा. So पे हम लोग देखते हैं, एक बाबा आते हैं जो हमको बताता है कि नेल की एक्सरसाइज करो, ये करो, वो करो. तो मैंने नेल की एक्सरसाइज भी स्टार्ट करने गई, दैट यू रब योर नेल्स अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट एज वेल. थेरेपी, दैट बॉडी में हीट काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, उसी लिए बाल जा रहे हैं. आई मेरा एक ही स्टाइल था स्पाइक्स करने का बाल. मैंने उठाने की कोशिश की तो अभी साला पहले जो 10-12 बाल उठते थे अभी उतने भी नहीं उठे. गाली देने लगा, नॉर्मल सेम साइकिल रिपीट हुआ. हम लोग किसको पकड़ते, फैमिली को. देने सारा जो गुस्सा था उन पे निकाला. पागल हो गया था. तो फिर मैंने एक वर्ड निकाला कि अपना मैटरनल से रिलेटेड होता है, जो अपनी मतलब जो माँ के साइड के लोग हैं, अगर वो बॉल्ड है, अगर वो गंजे हैं तो आप हो सकते हो. क्योंकि आई हैड थिंग इन माइंड बाय माई फादर, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हेयर. सो आई हैड दैट प्रिजम्पशन आई कुड नेवर गेट बॉल्ड. हाउ द फक डिड आई गेट बॉल्ड? सो आफ्टर दैट रिसर्च दैट येस मैटरनल साइड के वजह से हो सकता है. मैटरनल मतलब मेरी मम्मी. तो मैंने मम्मी को पकड़ा, तुम्हारे दादू, तुम्हारे पापा, तुम्हारे परदादा की वजह से मैं गंजा हो गया हूँ, अभी तू ही कुछ कर. वही कर रही थी पर फिर मैं उसको बोला तो तू ही कुछ कर. तो उसने बोला ठीक है, होम्योपैथी के पास चलते. तो ये लास्ट मेडिसिन ब्रांच थी, होम्योपैथी की हम तरफ निकल गए. मतलब वो डॉक्टर थोड़ा खड़ूस था, ही वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. सो he asked me ये dandruff हो रहा है. हाँ, he identified that yes, dandruff is the only cause for your hair loss. He said it clearly, dandruff के वैसे जा रहा है बाल. I said okay. लेते गया. He not directly said that आएंगे. He did not give me any kind of assurance, positive or negative. So I was eagerly waiting for second meeting with him. So I met him. I said that directly कुछ हो नहीं रहा. There is no difference being noticed by me. So there was no difference, to be very honest. And then he said that yes man, see, once you are getting bald, it will never come back. You won't admit it. And अगर कोई मैं अगर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो में ही बोल देता नहीं आएंगे, फिर भी नो वन वुड एडमिटेड नहीं यार छोड़ साला क्या बोल रहा है, चल इसका बंद करते हैं, पॉजिटिव वाले वीडियोस देखते हैं. बिकॉज पॉजिटिव वाले वीडियोस तो बहुत है, मैंने भी देखे काफ़ी वीडियोस आते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क करके. पहले ऐसे बाल होते थे, फिर मैंने ऐसे बाल किए, कैसे किए, हाउ डिड आई डू इट. देयर आर सो मेनी वीडियोज़ fooling you. So I would advise them कि तुम मानो ना, तुम ट्राई करो, यही होने वाला है सब. What I have narrated so far, प्लस और माइनस यही होने वाला है सब. बट ट्राई ना, इट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस. क्विट तो करना नहीं है. आई वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट नॉट टू क्विट, बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. बिकॉज इफ यू एक्सपेक्ट and then the results are not as per your expectations, then only thing is sadness again. बहुत हो गया. And how did I get this? I will make another video यार.